How to set timer in Instagram Reel. Now let's say you want to add an Instagram Reel to your account or to your feed. All you have to do is to click on this plus button right here and scroll to Reels. Then click on Camera. And if you want to set a timer and capturing a video about your Instagram Reel, all you have to do is to click on this button right here, this clock icon right here, and click on that. And it will give you the duration or of how long you can film or how long can you capture the video that you will be capturing. So you can adjust this. You can also set the countdown from 3 seconds to 10 seconds. And then once you're done, let's say right here, once you're done, you just have to click on set timer so that you will have the power or how long your Instagram Reel will be. And after that, all you have to do is to shoot your Instagram Reel. So that's how to set timer in Instagram Reels. Hope we help.